I have been sick the last week, and I thought I would do an episode about talking about when you're sick. Some vocabularies, some words, how to express that something is hurting you. So let's start with the word sick. So the word sick is marid. Marid. Now, this goes by gender, and when I say this, it basically means when you want to refer to a female, you're going to add the ha marbuta in the end. So it will be like marida. So for a male, marid. For a female, marida. So this word means sick. Now, I guess now we are in the cold season. So if you have a cold, you can just say عنده برد or عندها برد, or actually a better way is ماخد برد or ماخدة برد. Now what does everything mean? So عنده, the word عند means have. So عنده برد, he has cold. عندها, she has, adding the suffix ها and alif for she. So عندها برد, she has a cold. Now, this is not the most common way we say like they have a cold. It's in English, but not really in Arabic. We might say ماخدة برد or ماخد برد. ماخد is coming from the verb أخد, which basically means to take. So he has taken a cold, or she has taken a cold. So if it's a male, you say ماخد, has taken, like he has taken. If it's a female, she has taken ماخدة. So you add the in the end, the ha marbuta again. So ماخد برد, ماخدة برد. برد means cold. Now, the actual word for cold is مرشح. مرشح. So the word مرشح means cold, and it goes by gender again. So if it's a masculine, مرشح. If it's a feminine, مرشحة. So again, we added the ha marbuta. So مرشح, مرشحة. Now, if we have a flu, so that would be, it's very similar to the English word flu, or I think in English it's influenza, maybe. It's the same in Arabic, I guess. Anyway, so you say مفلوز or مفلوزة. So again, مفلوز for a male, مفلوزة for a female, and this means like they have flu. Now, if you want to express a pain, something is hurting you, so you always start with whatever is hurting you. For example, let's say a headache. So you start with the word head, and then you say hurting me. Hurting me is بيوجعني. Now, I don't want to make it too complicated, but بيوجع is a verb. We are referring to the body part. If it's a he, like head is a he, Again, I always say everything has a gender, right? So if the word head, I'm going to go over it, or the word throat, all these are masculine words. So this is why the verb بيوجعني refers to he. And the ni in the end of the word بيوجعني, it means me, like hurting me. So if you want to say I have a headache, you say راسي بيوجعني. My head is hurting me. So راسي بيوجعني. I have a cough. عندي سعلة. عندي سعلة. Now, if you want to say, for example, my throat is hurting me, you say حلقي بوجعني. Again, we're back to the word بوجعني. So حلقي, حلق means a throat. حلقي, the suffix e is my throat. حلقي بوجعني. Now, for example, you want to say my throat is dry, and this is actually what I felt. I get so thirsty. Anyway, so حلقي ناشف. حلقي ناشف. So the word ناشف means dry, and it is, if you notice, if it's an adjective, and it is masculine because حلق is masculine. So حلقي بوجعني. Now anything else, for example, I have a back pain. You can say ظهري وجعني. My back is hurting me. ظهري وجعني. Stomach ache, بطني وجعني. Stomach is button. My stomach بطني وجعني. um, Fatigue, if you want to say I have fatigue, you would just say جسمي تعبان. My body is tired. جسم is body. جسمي, my body. تعبان, tired. Or for example, you can also say جسمي كله, all of it, تعبان. جسمي كله تعبان. Now the last thing is one expression we say when we are really really sick, or maybe it's just me. مش قادرة أتحرك. ميتة تعب. So مش قادرة أتحرك, I can move. If it's a male, مش قادر أتحرك, قادر or قادرة, depends on the gender. مش قادرة أتحرك. ميتة, like I'm dead. تعب, ميتة تعب, dead tired, basically. That's what it basically means in English. So these are some words. I hope they help. And remember, if you like my episodes, press like and check out my workbooks. They are very, very helpful for intermediate level or and beginners. Thank you so much and bye.